Assalamualaikum. My name is Aidil Muhaimin, and this is my friend Ahmad Haris. And we built this house that was called the Panel Smart House. This house design was inspired by none other than the narrow house by UR.
What is unique about this design is the height and the wide.
The reason why this house is tall is because the rising price of land in an urban area. The height will allow us to maximize the amount of space in a cheap, small land.
Taking advantage of the height, we put solar panels on top and side of the house to get clean energy.
Another unique feature of this house is its emerald glass that will reduce the heat in the house and also protect us from UV light.
The final unique feature of this house is the rare design that will attract people to rent the house.
Thank you for giving your time to listen to our unique take on modern houses. Thank you.